Good morning. This is a tutorial on how you open your Zoom to custom live on FB or YouTube. So you create first your Zoom meeting. So in the Zoom meeting, you schedule a meeting. For example, I'll schedule it at 11 a.m. and then just um, save it first. So after saving that, you go to your meetings tab, then you edit. So when you edit it, you will see, no, not that advanced option. There, you go to settings and then view more settings. Then you sign in to your account. After signing in, you go to your meetings. And then you edit your meeting here. And then you go to, no, not edit meeting. Let's see, account management. Then account settings. Go to, can allow breakout rooms there. Can allow there. Allow live streaming of meetings in the meeting advance. So you can check Facebook Workplace by Facebook, YouTube, and this custom live streaming service. Then you can save that already. So one next thing that you need to do is you open where you want to stream. For example, I want to stream on YouTube. I can already put YouTube here. Then I can open schedule a live stream at 11. Also, you go to create, go live. Here in the live frame, you can schedule your stream, create new, then you can put a title on it, demo, then next, then anyone, then you can put it in public or only those people with the link can open it. You keep it on unlisted, then give the link to all of your participants. So if I put it on public, anyone can see it. I forgot to change the date there, but you can change the date there. So here, when you open this, keep it on this tab. When you're about to start your meeting, when you start it, let's open that. You will see here more, and then you can click on live on custom live streaming service. So when you click that, you will be redirected to this frame where they will ask for the streaming URL. Streaming URL will be, you go back to your this one. So streaming URL, you have here stream URL, you just copy that. Then after copying, you just paste it there. Stream key here, copy, paste, and then enter a live streaming page URL. For you to get that, you go back to your live. This is the demo. To get that shareable link there, then that's your, then you can already go live, preparing live stream. So let's see. Okay, you will see there that we're already on demo. For this to be on live already, you need to click it here, click your live, then put it, click go live here to go live here. So go live. Okay, going live. If you don't click go live here, it will stay at the waiting part for your viewers. So your viewers can chat here. You can also put on the attendance link, evaluation link, and if you have other engagement tools that you will use, you can click here. You can also type in your questions at this part. If you look at your Zoom interface, it will say this meeting is being live streamed. You can click on that. So if we start video here already, here you will see also the video on this part already. Current news. It's not moving. Hello. Yes, that part. Okay, it's working now. It's on public. That's all for the quick demo on how you use your Zoom to a bigger audience. Ciao.